y'all and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing the Cloth and Paper January subscription box. So this just came into mine was in the batch that did come late. I still want to do a video on it just so y'all have that consistency that I do post it every single month. So if you already got yours, maybe you can get some ideas on how I'm using some of the items in here. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this up and get started. First up is this graphic. So these have been coming in, I think the past 4 or 5 boxes now. And so I've seen so many people do so many different things, put them in frames, cut them down to your planner, use them as an insert, use them as a dashboard, different things like that. I don't know how I want to use them, so I've just been putting them to the side for now. But we have this, and then the first item on the list is the horizontal weekly undated inserts. So these are actually pretty cool. So you have blank space, grid space, memo, priorities, and next week. So I'm actually really loving these. I want to figure out how I can incorporate these into my planner system. These actually might be good for school. I could put like all the assignments that are due or that I need to do on the side and just things going on the left. I don't know. But here are these. And then next up is the new half-page monthly inserts. So these have the date, reminders, priorities, and then on the back just have a note section. And so it's a very minimal design, so you can use it however you want. You can organize this however you want, and you get the full year. So I might include these in my weekly inserts. I don't know, we'll figure that out at the end of the video, but you get these, and these are the half-page monthly inserts. After that is the new purchase tracker. So this one, they actually don't have that black border that they've had on all the other like newer inserts, which I'm actually kind of a fan of because now you have more room for your inserts. So we have these, and I will definitely use these. So these are front and back, and we'll put those in my planner at the end of the video. Okay, so next is 3 different dashboards, and so I don't really know which one's which. So there's a paint swatch dashboard, which I'm going to assume is this one, but this also says that there's a trio dashboard. For a trio dashboard, I would assume this would be that one. For paint swatch, maybe it's this one. And then this is the magazine cover dashboard. Not 100% sure, but these are the new dashboards. I'm not really a huge fan of this one. Personally, I don't like the colors, but I'm not 100% sure. It's been a while since I haven't really liked anything that came in the sub box. So I'm actually kind of amazed. But for these two, I'm definitely going to put these in my planner. I just need to figure out where. But we have these 3. And then after that, we have the new appointment sticky notes. So these have beige text. So here you can see that text. I do like that they finally have this sticky note option for these. I just wish they came in black, but maybe they're going to do that soon. But these are definitely more of a beige font. After that, you have the new appointment notepad. And so you have date, time, location, contact, appointment details, follow-up, no BS date, notes. And so I think this is actually really cool, especially for people, like I've shared before that I was diagnosed with high blood pressure last year. And so I'm currently working on that to get it down. And so this is actually really nice for people with high blood pressure because you can go in, there's generally follow-up appointments. Same with chronic illnesses. I know that a lot of people in the planner community have chronic illnesses. So this is really a really nice thing to add because I can easily add this into my planner before I go into do the appointment, and I can bring this with and take notes if needed and any follow-up dates on you. So I'm actually really excited for this, and I really do like that it matches the sticky notes. I think that's actually pretty cool. So we have the notepad, and then after that we have the AM and PM minimal task card set. So I was actually debating on whether or not to add my business card holder back into my personal brewing agenda, and I think with these I'm actually going to do that because I do really like these and I do really want to use these. So we're going to set that up at the end of the video, which we're almost there because last items in the box are journaling cards. So here are the planner cards, and then let's just do a little up close look. I think y'all know what the calendar looks like, so I'm gonna focus on these two. And then that is everything in the box. So that is going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching.